Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can change inverted front camera on Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and first of all, we have to open up our camera application, and I'm going to take selfie with this camera, and I'm going to show you the result. Okay, the result will look like this. And as you can see that my camera is inverted, and I'm going to show you how we can fix it. If we want to fix it, we can go to the setting, and then we have to go to the selfies. Wait, just go to the selfies right here, and you have to activate this feature on your Samsung Galaxy phone's camera. Save selfies as previewed. Okay, and after that I'm going to take a selfie again. Okay, and this is the result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to change inverted front camera on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.